Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a scatter plot in Google Sheets. It's a pretty simple task. Remember, scatter plots require two sets of numerical data, and so from whatever data you have, you can pick any two columns. The column represents the set of data you want to compare. Here I'm going to compare the quantity sold with the temperature to see, does the temperature and the quantity sold have any sort of relationship. So this is a pretty straightforward process. You're going to click on whatever column you want as your first variable. Then you're going to hold Control down on your keyboard and click on the letter of the column of your second variable, and you can see it highlights both of those columns. From there, you're going to go to the Insert tab up above, and you're going to insert Chart. And Google Sheets is going to guess what you wanted, and usually it guesses right. It should be a scatter plot. If it's not a scatter plot here, then you're going to go over to the chart editor that was popped up when you did that, and you'll click on Chart Type, and you'll scroll and look and find Scatter Chart or Scatter Plot right here, and click on it, and it will give you your scatter plot. I hope this helps.